According to popular definitions, nature-based solutions are strategies that try to imitate nature to keep prolongating the natural processes that cause climate change mitigation or adaptation. I'd rather not using this terminology because it separates humans from nature or people from nature.
You know that nature-based solution is just a new term for an old ideas. It has always been solutions that have been implemented by indigenous and local communities through centuries. Nature-based solutions are very, very prone to greenwashing.
Therefore, I incline more to indigenous-based solutions, which through generations have created a reciprocal relationship with Mother Earth. I think that's another solution that already implies coexistence in harmony with Mother Earth without being separated from it.
By putting all of this together, recognizing the ecosystem integrity, the indigenous community, local communities that have been doing this conservation effort, and also recognizing and bringing in guidelines, safe frameworks that are followed strictly, making sure that nature-based solution does not replace the action to actually decarbonize the economy, to slow down emission in every form, shape, or manner. I think that would be an effective solution.